Good morning. This is Miss Hepworth. This is NTI Day 5, and I just wanted to go over the assignment for science. As you can see, I'm within the 7th grade So Amazing folder on Schoology. I'm within the Day 5 core classes, and I'm in the science folder for both Miss Calhoun and myself. So today's assigned task is to compare a couple of cities. One city is Lexington, the other is San Francisco. So what you're going to be doing is looking at the cities. There's some included artifacts, okay? One is a map of Lexington and San Francisco that describes their latitude and longitude. There are also data tables that have information in regards to temperatures, average temperatures, highs, and lows for each of the cities. And what the first part is asking you to do is to create a comparison for each season. They have this character of your mother that you're trying to share this information with. So essentially, you are writing a good, solid comparison paragraph about how during winter, spring, summer, and fall, the weather changes in these two cities. For part B, okay, you will also be using the information, okay, and it's towards, it's further down in the PDF, okay. You can see the map here and then the different graphs and data table, okay. But for part B, you're going to be doing 3 different things, and you'll be putting this information into this graphic organizer at the very end, okay. You could probably easily create this as a table in your Google Doc. Otherwise, just make sure that you label questions 1 and 2, explanation 1 and 2, and patterns and data 1 and 2. So the questions that you're going to be generating explain the differences in temperatures between the two cities. So essentially, you're coming up with questions that address the temperature change. Why might there be a different temperature in Lexington than San Francisco? So think about the geography, okay, the latitude and longitude. Think about within the geography, what is San Francisco nearby versus Lexington? All that sort of information. Then for 2, explain why or how an answer will help you understand the temperature differences between the two cities. So what you're going to do there is explain essentially why are there temperature differences. Okay, you've generated the question. Now you're going to kind of answer it there. And then lastly, explain how patterns in the data support the development of your question. So essentially, what did you notice in the data, okay, that helped you create your questions? So you're really just writing down what patterns you noticed in order to formulate your question, okay? If you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to ask myself or Ms. Calhoun. But this is the work for NTI Day 5. Have a good rest of your day. Thank you. Bye.